In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set meta title and meta description in Rank Math. Before we dive in, a quick note on why this matters. Your meta title and meta description are the first things people see on search results. A clear, compelling title helps searchers understand what your page is about, and a concise description encourages them to click. Rank Math makes this process straightforward, so let's walk through it together. First, open rankmath.com in your browser to make sure you're working with the right SEO tool and resources. With that in mind, head into your site where Rank Math is active and click Posts. This takes you to your list of articles or pages where you'll choose the content you want to optimize. Select a post and click Edit. This opens your editor so you can work directly on the content and its SEO settings. At the top right of the editor, click the three dots. This reveals additional tools and preferences you might not see by default. From that menu, click Code Editor. Switching to the code view lets you see the underlying structure of your post. Don't worry, you're not rewriting your whole page, you're just ensuring the right information is in place. Be careful not to change anything unrelated to your title or description. Now, type your title. This is your meta title, the headline that appears in search results. Keep it concise and front-load your primary keyword so it's immediately clear what the page covers. Aim for something in the 50 to 60 character range so it doesn't get cut off. If you add your brand name, place it at the end so the core topic stays prominent. Avoid duplicate titles across different posts and make sure the phrasing matches the intent of your content. Next, type your description. Think of this as a short, compelling pitch for your page. Aim for around 150 to 160 characters, summarize the value a reader will get, use natural language, and include your main keyword once if it fits smoothly. Write it for humans first. Clarity beats keyword stuffing every time. Avoid overly long sentences and keep punctuation clean to prevent truncation. Once you're satisfied, click Publish. If the post was already live, this button may say Update instead. After publishing, give search engines time to recrawl the page. Remember, search engines sometimes rewrite titles and descriptions, so keep yours clear and relevant to encourage them to use your version. And that's it. Your meta title and meta description are set in Rank Math.